Last week I did a cover of Flapper Girl by the Lumineers. And I got a comment requesting a tutorial for the fingerpicking. I've never done a tutorial before, but I'm gonna give it a shot and see if we can get through this together. All right, let's take it section by section. I'll have the tabs pulled up right there for you, and I'll play it full speed and then I'll play it very slowly. Now very slowly. Once you get that down, you can move to the F. I play the F with my thumb. You don't have to do that. That's just what I think is most comfortable, because you would otherwise play it with your finger right there. That feels like a lot of acrobatics. I'd recommend just using your thumb, and the next part goes like this. Now slow down. Once you get that down, we can move on to the next part. Now slow down. Now this next part, we're going to go up to the 8th fret with your fingers on the high E string and the low E string. And you're going to slide down to the 3rd fret. So to the 8. And then once you're here, you play the final lick. And once more very slowly. All right, so let's play it through once more. Onto the F. Now for the 5th fret. Yeah, and the 8th, 3rd. And we'll hit that again. In between the licks, I just do a little strum. But it's a fun melody to play if you're gonna sing to it as well, because you can kind of sprinkle it in here and there. Give your performance a little bit of embellishment. Like for example, you don't have to do it every time. You can go, cut off all of your hair. And you can do it here. Did you flinch? Did you care? Did he look? Did he stop and stare at your brand new hair? Local boy, local news. So it's fun, you know? Power line hanging boom. Make sure to leave a comment if there's anything that I missed or anything that would be more helpful in your learning process. I've never done a tutorial before, but thanks for watching, and I hope this was fun. And I hope that you can now play the great song Flapper Girl by the Lumineers. Also, I'm currently editing this, but I forgot to mention to subscribe. I'd like to ask you to, if you'd like to. I currently have 230, which isn't, you know, YouTube's not going to send me like a plaque for that, but it means a lot to me. So thank you all for doing the subscribing thing. And I ask, please keep doing it so I can maybe get 230 more and have 460. I'm smart. All right, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. I don't know what, I already said that. Bye.